Well, today it's 50 degrees out. Not gonna even mess with that brown Ford. Don't even care about it. I think I'll spend our money towards this Navistar 7.3 Powerstroke turbocharged thing. 500,000 miles I think it's got on it. Needs a water pump, like I said, but if it doesn't start today, I'm gonna put them 2 new batteries in here. I was gonna see if this thing would start. It'd be kind of fun. I wish I could like set the camera here so you can see, you know, a starting angle, but I guess I could set it right here. I don't know if it's gonna stay there. We'll try it. Looks like the Motorcraft batteries will be going in here. The batteries are toast. So, okay, I'll have to get all them batteries put in there, and then we'll have a good running diesel will actually start. That's hard on the starter, hard on the alternator, and hard on the go plugs, the relay and everything. Not even warm. Yeah, not enough juice. Alright, I'll be back in a little bit. Okay, so after 5,000 hours later, I got both brand new batteries in there, and the ends weren't very good. Them batteries are shot. It never starts. They're the same cranking amps. One was just sitting there jumping around. There was no thing to hold it down. That's not good for it. So now, them are 2013. Get the battery ends leaking acid out. Some of the battery, it looked like the battery, that one cracked, like it blew up. So yeah, I tested them, no go. These new ones should go. Let's try it. Since I don't have a tripod or something closer, this will have to do on top of the Toyota. I don't like to rev a diesel like that, but it wouldn't stay running. Had good oil pressure, so yeah, it must have had a little bit of leak in the fuel line. A little warmer. her up for a bit. We'll see if we can get out of here. I doubt it. I highly doubt it. Boy, that thing runs nice. I gotta get that crap out of there too. I don't want to wreck that. Buzzer, it works now. Gotta see the batteries are bad. See the oil pressure? Really good. I guess that's the miles before I hooked the speedometer up when we got it, so I have no idea actually how many miles it has on there. It probably has 500,000. I'm just guessing. Yep, just bad batteries. Might as well use these batteries toward that instead of that over here. It's just not worth it. I'm not going to mess with it anymore. I'm going to scrap it. Put some money towards something that's good. Oh, my dad's come here. I'm going to change oil on my Avalanche, so I come out here to do that too. Got a little bit of smoke, huh? Oh, that's sweet. Look how nice that thing runs. Smoking? I haven't checked that out yet. I think she's froze down. I think she's removed. Does it smell good? It smells excellent. Not burning oil at all. No. That's why I want to put my money towards something that runs good. Powerstroke diesel. What a beauty. All it needs are new batteries. Well, there you go, guys. I don't think I'll be able to get out of here, but we'll just let it run and for a while charge them batteries up. Them batteries are crap. They're junk. Well, I appreciate you guys watching. All this batteries are going to go towards this pickup, not that one. That one's junk. You won't see any more videos of that one. That one's shot. Put your money towards something that runs. Look how beautiful that thing runs. That's awesome. Yeah. Common Ford. Common Chevy. All of them. Well, there we go, guys. Live to die another day. Oh, that doesn't look good. Oh well. Oh well. We'll move it out here another day, I think.